Today, we'll explore Bitcoin's meteoric rise in open interest, Ethereum's potential surge with ETF approvals, as well as significant updates on the regulatory front and global crypto mining. So, what's next for crypto with this sea of change? Let's go market and explore. Over the past 7 days, Bitcoin traded within the range of $67,120 to $71,713. On June 7th, 2024, Bitcoin futures open interest skyrocketed, hitting a new high at 524k Bitcoin. The largest contributors to the total open interest in Bitcoin futures are Coinbase with 63%, CoinX with 45%, CME with 30%, and Binance with 22%. Other significant shares include Bybit with 14%, BitGet with 11%, and OKX with 8%. Data from the Deribit Derivatives Exchange shows the largest cluster of Bitcoin options open interest from June's end-of-month expiry are calls at the strike price of $71,000, with approximately 12,788 contracts valued at $983 million. Additionally, significant open interest is observed at strike prices of $80,000 and $100,000, with around 11,645 and 12,617 calls, respectively, valued at $895 million and $970 million. This indicates a collective anticipation of drastic price shifts in the original cryptocurrency. Still, despite the general optimism, some traders caution against potential whipsaw action where a sudden price spike could occur in the opposite direction of the current trend. Meanwhile, according to Farsight data, between May 31st and June 7th of 2024, Bitcoin ETF inflows were significant across various funds. IBIT saw the highest inflow with $274.4 million, followed by FBTC with $378.7 million. ARKB had $138.7 million, and BitB recorded $61 million. In contrast, GBTC experienced an outflow of $37.6 million. Overall, the total inflows for this period amounted to $1.77 billion. The macro setup for Bitcoin appears to be strong. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits rose faster than expected, increased by 8,000 to a seasonally adjusted 229,000 for the week ending June 1st, compared to economists' forecast of 220,000 claims. Additionally, the U.S. 10-year Treasury note has decreased by approximately 3.34% over the past 2 weeks, from May 23rd to June 5th. These macro factors contribute to rising expectations for rate cuts, which are anticipated to increase liquidity and investment demand, potentially providing strong support for the Bitcoin price. Looking into network fundamentals, Bitcoin does not currently appear to be overvalued, according to the thermo-cap ratio indicator, which measures the cumulative value of all Bitcoin mined to date against the current price, representing the total investment costs in the network. As of June 4th of 2024, the thermo-cap ratio was approximately 21.22, while the Bitcoin price was around $70,500. Historically, the thermo-cap ratio has shown peaks during significant Bitcoin price highs and lows during market troughs. Considering the different ratio, Bitcoin's relatively high price is actually grounded in the substantial and continuous flow of investment, indicating that it is not overvalued in the context of historical investment costs and network fundamentals. ETH's open interest on exchanges surged to a new all-time high after the SEC's U-turn towards ETH ETFs, coming in at $16.81 billion as of this video, according to CoinGlass data. Global investment manager Van Eck predicts that Ethereum will be worth approximately $22,000 by 2030. According to a comprehensive analysis published on June 5th, Van Eck attributes this high price expectation to Ethereum's burgeoning role as a high-growth, internet-native commercial system, with the potential to disrupt traditional financial sectors and big tech platforms. Meanwhile, in an interview on CNBC on Wednesday, SEC Chair Gary Gensler discussed the status of spot ETH ETFs, noting that the agency's approval would take some time for the ETFs to become available on exchanges. He highlighted that the SEC is still working on disclosure measures, with exchanges indicating that the S1 approvals are not imminent. The industry expected trading to begin in a couple of weeks, but now it seems the process will take longer. While we're focused on U.S. regulatory developments, lawmakers in other countries are scripting their own crypto regulations. For example, Thailand's SEC has given the green light to the nation's first Bitcoin spot ETF. So that's all we have for this one. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content just like this. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one.